Morph transition is the latest transition effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's have an example here. Say we have the blank slides here and we want to insert a shape. So let's go to shape, go to insert, let's say circle. So we will press the shift key and then drag to get the perfect circle. And let's insert another shape. Say we want a triangle. Let's just have small triangle here. Okay. After that, we will duplicate this slide. So press on Control D. So now we will adjust its size. Let's reduce it. Okay. And then this one, we will make it bigger. And then we will go to transitions and then click on the morph. Okay. Let's now go to the first slide and go to the presentation of the slideshow. So this is the first slide. Let's see how will the morph transition happen on the second slide. Okay. So again, this is the first slide. This one is the second slide. Our second example using the morph transition will be what's this? Changing a particular shape into another shape. Say we insert, let's go to shapes. We insert a cloud. Press the shift key and then drag, so that's the cloud. And then you go to format, select selection pane. Okay, this one here. So as you can see, the name of the shape is cloud 4. So we will just edit this and we will add 2 exclamation points here before the word cloud. So that will be the name of this shape. After that, we will duplicate this slide. So press on Control D. So we now have this duplicated slide. We will position this at the right side. Notice that the name did not change. So it's still the same with the exclamation points. And then we will go to Format. Let's edit the shape and change the shape into, let us say we want it heart. Now let's not forget to go to the transitions and click on the morph. Okay, so let's now go to the presentation of the slideshow. Once again, let's see how the cloud turns to a heart. Okay. So this is another example of the morph transition. Let's have one more interesting use of the morph transition. Say you have a blank slide here, and then we will go to Insert, Shapes. Let us choose the rectangular shape. And then from this edge here, you make something like this. And then we will just change the shape width to 1.9 and then press OK. And then from here, you press on Control D. So you have a duplicate copy, position it like this, and then press again Control D to cover the blank slide with these rectangular shapes. So now we will go to Insert. Let's insert a picture. Say I will insert this flowers here. Insert. Now let's go to crop. Aspect ratio. We will change it to 16:9 because that's the appropriate dimension for the slide. We're going to cut this picture and then go to the outside of the slide, this empty space here. Right click, go to Format Background. click on Picture or Texture Fill, then Clipboard. So we expect that the picture a while ago will be placed at the back of these blue panels. So now let's select all, Control A, and then go to Slide Background Fill. So that's the image now. As you can see, there's outline here of the rectangles that we have placed a while ago. So we will just remove that. Go to Format, then no outline. Okay, so now we will duplicate this, Control D. Now on the duplicated copy, what we need to do now is to rotate the alternating patterns or panels. So click on the first panel, press on Control, then click on the alternate ones. Okay. So now we go to Format, go to Rotate, and then Flip Vertical. Click. Okay. Now let's go to the other alternating patterns. Let's choose the second panel. Press on the Control key, and then press the alternating ones. Go again to Rotate, and then Flip Horizontal. Okay. Now what we're going to do next is to insert another picture. Let's go to Picture. Let's choose another shape, say this one. Okay, let's go again to Format, then Crop. Let's change the aspect ratio to 16:9. So now let's click on the picture, right click, and then cut. Now we're going to go back to Format Background, and then go to Picture or Texture Fill, then Clipboard. So now let's go to Transitions, and then choose Morph. Okay, so let's go back again to slide 6. Go to the slideshow presentation. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. So that's one of the interesting and amazing use of the morph transition.